Welcome to my final presentation of the food delivery service, Captain Carryout. The problem we will be addressing is that some restaurants do not have delivery options. The solution to this problem will be partnering with restaurants who do not have delivery options and create an online delivery option for our customers to choose from should they want to order from these restaurants. This idea is big on a passion for people and food. As a result, we offer many menus from partnered restaurants for people to order from. And there are several menu items for people to choose from. We offer fast premium delivery, meaning that the way it's delivered is comparable to restaurant, meaning it's very high quality and no one will be disappointed in the quality of their food. We also offer a large area coverage, 30-mile radius to be exact. We also have an online order platform that is linked to our partner's homepage so that people who do order from us will be able to track their orders in a timely fashion. This is also the only local delivery service here in Billings. Okay, so the current market for online food delivery service in Billings is huge. There are many opportunities available. First of all, there's a huge desire for online food delivery. Many more people are going to online food delivery since it is more convenient, which goes to show that the trends are moving in this direction from research. Also, there is a large market available since there is only one direct competitor, which is Cafe Courier. And the biggest thing that we will this idea will be going is it is local, which a lot of people are attracted to. There is strong long-term growth and even short-term growth based on the cash flow and the research that we have done. And we also have first mover advantage, which means since there's a large market available and there are no large companies to worry about, that we will have an advantage of hitting a market that has blossomed in the recent years. The target market is that anyone who has access to the internet will be subject to this target market, since it will allow people to order food online if they want to. So how does this service work? Well, first you go to the website and then you enter your address, and then you select a restaurant, and then you select the food items that you want. And after that, your order is processed and sent to the restaurant that you are ordering from. And once the order is processed, we will send our drivers to pick it up and have it delivered to you. And then you will be able to enjoy your food. Okay, so based on the results from interviews on the solutions that we have created for the problems that we will be addressing, show that there's a pretty even and mixed feeling about the solutions that we are offering to the problems. Everyone seemed most attracted to the restaurant partnership and the order tracking, with 43% in the first priority for both solutions, and also 43% on the second priority for order tracking, and only 14% in the second priority for the restaurant partnership. The business and tip charge, everyone was kind of on the fence about. Didn't feel like it was necessary because they didn't mind giving tips as much. But we will address the business and tip charge in the pricing later on. So our pricing will be that we will charge 20% of the overall order purchase, and there's a fixed driver salary, meaning that we will be paying our drivers more than our current competitor, Cafe Courier. This will allow them to cover their insurance and expenses on their vehicle, such as maintenance and gas and such, without the company having to spend the money on their vehicle. There's also a no-tip policy, meaning that they cannot accept tips from customers, since the tips will already be incorporated into their salary as well. As a result, this is easy to remember, and it is also hassle-free. The current direct competitor that Billings has is Cafe Courier, which is a national food delivery chain. As a result, this is a huge opportunity. There are no other local direct competitors. Other alternatives for this idea are that restaurants have their own delivery service, such as JB Kitchen and the Pickle Barrel. But the disadvantage is that they have very limited menu items, and they only serve a limited range of customers. With our service, we service a wide variety of customers, and there are many menu items for people to choose from, so we can satisfy their needs. There's one other food delivery service available in Billings, and that is Cafe Courier. However, based on the complaints that we have encountered during the interviews that we conducted about Cafe Courier, I'm not so sure that they would be willing to order from this service anymore. The financial feasibility for this idea is that overall it's very feasible. The market that we will be serving is currently 10% of Billings, a little over 10,000 people. 10% of the market order Cafe Courier currently. And based on research, only once a week, people will order from an online food delivery service. And we will be charging $23, and our item will cost $18.40, yielding a high net present value and internal rate of return, which we will discuss in the next. The cash flow shows that it is steadily increasing. The net present value is very high, since there are few direct competitors. The net present value is $1,790,004.14. The critical variable is the cash flow. The internal rate of return is 55.2%, and the break-even point would be a little over 105,000 units. The critical variable is the cash flow, and unless people order less than 31 times a year, the net present value will be positive. And based on research, people will order at least once a week, so 52 times a year. The margin, based on current pricing, net present value will be positive. The direct competitors is only one, so net present value is still positive. Although if we had 3 direct competitors, the net present value would still be positive. So overall, Captain Carryout would be a great investment in Billings, Montana. The net present value is positive, even in the worst case scenario. There is a huge potential market. The online platform is very straightforward and very user-friendly. There's huge advertising opportunity for partners. And the best part is, this is local. So hope that you will consider trying out the service, and have an awesome day.